In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Notion just in 5 minutes. If you've been using Notion for a while and feel like you need a fresh start, or perhaps your workspace has become too cluttered, resetting it might be just what you need. This guide will walk you through the process of tidying up and resetting Notion step by step. First things first, open up Notion on your computer or device. Here, you're going to navigate to an essential section that will allow you to make the necessary changes. Once you have Notion open, your next step is to locate the Settings and Members option. You can typically find this by looking for a gear icon, which is usually situated in the sidebar. When you've found and clicked on Settings and Members, you'll need to select Settings from the ensuing menu options. This will open up a variety of settings related to your workspace, such as your personal profile, your connections, and much more. But for now, we'll focus on the workspace settings. As you scroll down through the settings, you'll come across a section titled Workspace. This is where you have the opportunity to leave the current workspace, so go ahead and click on the Leave Workspace option. Doing this will detach you from the existing setup, preparing you to either join a new one or create one afresh. Once you've left the old workspace, you'll notice a prompt to either join an existing workspace or create a new one. Click Create or Join Workspace here. If you're aiming for a completely clean slate, creating a new workspace is your best bet. This option will provide you with a blank canvas to reorganize as you wish. If you wish to delete everything inside your current workspace before starting a new, simply right-click on the specific page you want to remove. This action will bring up a context menu where you should select the Delete option. Repeat this step for all pages you wish to eliminate from your workspace. Following that, head back to the Settings and Members section and locate the trash. The trash is essentially where Notion stores all deleted items, providing a safety net just in case of accidental deletions. Once you've confirmed that everything unwanted is in the trash, find and select the Empty Trash option. This action will permanently delete all the contents in your trash, giving you that truly fresh start. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Notion workspace. Whether you're tidying things up for more efficiency or preparing to start a new project, these steps will ensure your workspace is clean and ready. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.